I have my squirrel. I am chewing on its face. I love my squirrel. I'm gonna get it. Oh, it's so good. Chewing on the face of my squirrel. Oh, I'm just in heaven now. Don't you try and take my squirrel. Don't try and take it.
But now we have a chance to survive.
I love my squirrel. No one will take it from me, will
soldiers
they?
willing to sacrifice, but they need weapons.
Squirrel
The enemy has the
love.
advantage. We need one of our
Squirrel love. Good girl, Choo-Choo. Get it, Glenda.
No.
Get your squirrel.
For what we can do before.
Get your squirrel. Oh, yes, that's right. Get it. Get the squirrel. Oh, yes.
Become ghosts.
I'm gonna hunker down and suck on its face.
In the shadows. To save people, even when they don't know it. Don't want it. Finn said he could engineer cloaking, but I'm afraid he can't do anything. The damage to his temporal lobe was too extensive. He's not the same, and since Simmons left, he's only getting worse.
This is number 2 of 5. But okay, that's one first thing. My Simmons, I said not to touch anything.
Glenda, can I take your squirrel? Can I get your squirrel?
Yes, I know.
Can I get it?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, I'll let you have your squirrel.
Sorry.
Simmons said she thought he'd be
I know, good girl, you get it.
just broken.
Get that squirrel.
Since he's grown isolated.
Get that bad squirrel. It's bad squirrel. Get it. Good girl.
We have to fight on for him, for those we've lost.
You show that squirrel who's the boss. Glenda's the boss.
Sacrifices they made were not made.
Who's the boss? Glenda's the boss. Good girl. You get it, Glenda. Get the squirrel. Get the squirrel. Get the squirrel.